Have you ever felt like your appliances are keeping secrets from you? Your fridge might be low-key judging your late-night snacks, while your washing machine dreams of a day when it gets to spin by itself. Welcome to the secret life of your household machines, where every beep, buzz, and whir carries a hidden message. They want your love and attention, especially when they're struggling. For instance, did you know your dishwasher needs to be treated like royalty? Rinsing off excess food before loading helps it perform better. Keep an ear out for unusual noises. Check your energy bills for spikes and monitor for leaks. Regular cleaning, proper ventilation, and scheduling maintenance are crucial for extending their lifespan. And don't forget to make eco-friendly choices. Using energy-saving settings and batching your laundry can save the planet and your pocketbook. So, get to know your appliances. They're silently cheering for you and want to be your happy, efficient companions.